Oh, way they go. 3AL Bimbo Tabel Funny Dar. Moving up by Darrell. It's now Funny Dar, Tabel El Bimbo. And moving up is Gabby's Choice Conqueror Class Act Dream Come True is racing in 7th position. Sir Ferdinand, second last Sweet Lorky is running at the tail of the field. Funny Dar by half a length, followed by Tabel. 3AL Bimbo is running by Darrell. Gabby's Choice, number 3, is racing in fourth by some 3 lengths. Then here comes Dream Come True. Conqueror on the outside is Sir Ferdinand. Rounding the far turn, Tabel by Anek. Funny Dart down on the inside. Gabby's Choice getting closer in third. Dream Come True, Sir Ferdinand. As they race the last 500, Panidar regains the lead from Tabel, almost ahead. And on the outside is Tabel. It's Panidar, Tabel firing out for the lead. Gabby's Choice racing in third. Entering the last 100 meters more to run. It's Panidar and Tabel keep on firing out for the lead. Tabel, Panidar, Tabel. But Tabel is now the leader. And finally, Tabel doing the better. Second, Panidar. Gabby's Choice, Sir Ferdinand, and Sweet Lorky for your Fanta Pecta.
Wow, yung